Thukam. Well, that's a ritualistic art form in its pristine form. The feat of Garudan Thukam. It unravels a mystery, an ode to a holy sacrifice etched in our mythical history. It's the writing of Brahma's biggest mistake. Brahma grants immunity to the fierce demon king Dwarika from death at the hands of any man. So, the gods conspired and birthed Kali. She has no source than herself. The goddess of rage was thus born out of the third eye of the destroyer. Bhadrakali then beheaded the demon immune to any man, yet her bloodthirst flooded every godly plant. And quenched in battle, with Dwarika's head in one hand, Kali danced, and Vishnu sent Garud to pacify her insatiable prance. Thukam is a tale of courage, of sacrifice, of absolute resilience, of how Garud subdues agony to dance and perform before the enraged and ravishing goddess. The story of Garud saving the world. Celebrated as a ritualistic art form in central Kerala, Thukam is an offering, a reward to Bhadrakali for all troubles resolved in her abode. The Paitakaran is attired in clothing, jewelry, and explicit facial art to assimilate the Garud. He endures a lifelong discipline of art and devotion, surrendering his body and soul to be entranced in a holy commotion. He is taken to the Kali temple in a colorful procession led by flowers, diyas, and festive prayers. In a moment of untainted devotion, the artist loses himself in the performance. jaded from hours of decorative display, tormented by pain, yet driven by valor, tears hidden in the whites of his eyes, blood dripping down his back. His mind meanders into mystic paradise. In such grace, to the beat of drums, he succumbs to her. And in such grace, he saves the world from pain, from fear.
അമ്മയ്ക്ക് ഏറ്റവും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട തൂക്കം നടത്തി കുത്തുവിളക്കുമെടുത്ത് അമ്പലത്തിന് ചുറ്റും പ്രദക്ഷിണം വയ്ക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ആ ആറാപ്പ് വിളികളുടെയും ശരണം വിളികളുടെ ഇടയിൽ അമ്മയുടെ അനുഗ്രഹം എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അനുഭവപ്പെട്ടത്.